Hello, hello. I'm
Hi.
Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. So today, number one, we're sharing a microphone, so it might be a little weird. And then we're also at Sublime Custom Stone. We're normally at one of our projects, but Sublime is at every one of our projects, and they supply, fabricate, and install all of our countertops. So take a look behind us.
And
Follow
over
along.
here,
We've got Hannah.
Hello, I'm Hannah.
Hannah is our go-to and guru of everything the countertops, and we're inside the showroom here. So right where we have behind us or around us is inside the showroom, and these are all the quartz, right?
Yes.
These are
Yep.
quartz,
These are
all selections.
Big pieces of quartz so that everyone can see kind of what's in, and some of just the most popular colors of the brands that we work with: Sal Stone, Cambria, Vico Stone, and then even some of Dow Tile and MSI's colors.
Okay, so quartz is really popular. We know we get a lot of quartz. And then we will meet with Hannah, with our clients, and then we go to, whether it's here or we might go to another slab yard, pick out the slabs with our clients, and then you go pick up those slabs, and then what happens after that?
Yes, so they'll deliver the slabs to us, and then we'll hold them until the job is ready to go. Once cabinets are in, we come out and template, get exact measurements, and then we cut them, fabricate, and install them.
And they always look amazing.
since this is quartz, what's the difference between quartz and quartzite? Because we get that question all the time.
So quartz is a man-made stone. It's 93% natural stone, 7% man-made ingredients like resins, glues. And so they crush the man-made or the natural stone up into teeny tiny little pieces, and then they bake it with the colors that they've got to create the consistent patterns like you see in all of these, because they make quartz, the slabs are made the same way every time, so they look very consistent.
Is there any pros and cons to each one of them? Like, is it better to have a quartz? Is it better to have a quartzite? What? Heat resistance, all those things.
Yeah.
We get the question all the time.
I think it's all preference. Quartz is a bit more low maintenance, so you don't have to seal it. It's stain resistant, scratch resistant. With natural stone like granite or quartzite, you have to seal it every 1 to 3 years, but it handles high heat well. So like fireplaces, or even putting it outside, or if you're in the habit of putting hot things on your countertops, natural stone like granite, quartzite are gonna be better.
Okay. And then there's remnants. So we're gonna take a look out at the slab yard where you keep all the remnants. And so what is a remnant? Because I'm saying shop talk. But what is a remnant?
Remnant is leftover pieces. So all of our builder and retail jobs, we charge you guys for the square footage that you're using out of the material. So the pieces that are left over, we help absorb the cost of. And so then they belong to Sublime, and we have these smaller pieces that are good for bathroom remodels, like a utility remodel, sometimes an outdoor kitchen, something like that, that we can just sell the remnant for, so they're not bringing in a full slab. It saves you some money.
Sure. I think one thing to also note is that it's not just countertops, right? I mean, these materials can be used for backsplashes or shower surrounds or something besides just a countertop.
Porcelain over here.
Yeah, we've done a lot of wall applications too. So,
And we can take a look at is porcelain better for that, or either?
porcelain is great. For wall applications, we do use it for countertops now too. It has started to become a little bit more popular. But a lot of wall applications and fireplaces, we see it.
Okay. So I know there was something that you showed us that was super cool, and it's with Decton, right? The Decton product. Okay, y'all need to see this. All right, come and take a look. And then I'm gonna grab the microphone because I'm hogging it. There's tiles, there's so much. Look at this. How cool is this?
Push it in, push it back out. So this is our island. It does have a Decton, which is a brand made by the same people who make silestone quartz. Decton is a ultra compact surface, very similar to porcelain. And
Very cool.
fancy island. I heard of like
Can we have
a
one of those?
cooktop going here, and then you know
Sure.
it covers up.
Sure.
That's
as
amazing.
As you can see, I mean, Sublime does all kinds of wonderful work, and there's more than just quartz or quartzite. There's porcelain. There's all kinds of materials that you can use for backsplashes, for surrounds, for countertops. And thank you so much for letting us come out here
Yes,
today.
thank you for visiting us.
And Hannah's
Thank you.
great. They do wonderful work. They do all of our projects.
Every one of them.
Everyone.
Like every one of them. And there's lots of pictures on our website that you can see, and every countertop in there is Sublime. It's all Sublime. So thank you very much, and
Thank you guys.
thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Behind the Drywall.